Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking. She's amazing. We just make some vegetable stir-fry summer vegetable, guys. It's an amazing recipe. With a hot, you know what I mean? So let's do some stir-fry veggie. You can cool it down and serve it with some lovely food at home. Stay tuned as I show you how to do this one at home. Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, this one is the summer stir-fry vegetable. We got broccoli and carrot and kojak. All right, we're gonna stir fry everything in the pot. No, summer stir fry veg. Amazing recipe. Look at this now. Medium sized frying pan on the stove with some olive oil or your vegetable oil. Then white onion. If you have some garlic, you can put some garlic in it, but I don't have any garlic at the moment. Then put in your veg. And stir fry everything for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes until you get really that lovely color, alright? So in the meantime, what we're going to do, we're just going to add some pepper and some mixed herb. Pinch of the mixed herb, bring up a flavor to it. And a pinch of salt. And stir fry these out. Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely, guys. I can see how the veg look. So that's exactly what we're talking about. Summer stir fry veg, really nice. This can serve with rice and chicken at the side. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. As you can see, carrot and also got broccoli and kojak. Now we're gonna put a little bit of honey on it like this and give it a stir. And we just leave it a nice lovely flavor. Then now you can serve it on the table. Enjoy. And thank you so much and see you next time. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.